guys, you're watching Saisha. I'm Saina.
And I'm Tanisha, and we went on Snapchat and asked you guys which videos you'd like us to do next, and most of you gave us the idea for a clothing haul, and we actually went forward with it.
So we decided, since most of the bloggers have done this, so we decided why not go to Sarojini Nagar and shoot a haul for you guys. So if you don't know what Sarojini Nagar market is, it's basically a local market wherein you get all kinds of accessories, clothing items, shoes, sometimes makeup as well,
And all of them are at very affordable prices.
yeah,
So-
actually. So
This was the very first time we went there, and we actually had loads of fun.
actually, and we saw that there were a few high-end items as well. So I guess enough of this intro, let's just get started with this video. Just a disclaimer, we both went ahead and bought
Oh
we
God.
bought we both went ahead and bought slightly same but slightly different outfits. So let's just get started.
So the very first thing we bought this together. It's a really cute top. It's a sleeveless top, and it's all striped. Mine is a blue stripes, navy blue stripes upon white, and hers is
White upon navy blue. So
It's a
we
really-
thought that it's a very cute item,
yeah.
as you can see. So the best part about this item is that it's really cozy. It's like a crop top, and
Yeah, you can actually wear it with high-waisted jeans, and we actually bought this because we both
found this very pretty, very trendy, and you'll be amazed to know how much this item was priced
Exactly.
at. It was just about 150. So 150 each. So we went ahead and bought this.
Yes.
So the second item that we went ahead with was this very pretty crop top kind of a thing.
It's an off-shouldered one.
Yeah, it's off shoulder, and it's like a cape,
Yeah.
which it has a cape over it. So
And it's a net cape.
yeah, I found it so pretty. So we both again decided that we're going to buy. Both of us are going to buy this, and this was priced slightly higher than the other one. So this was for about 250 each, and yeah.
It's really cute. You know, it has those pearls on it as well.
Yeah, it has a few pearl detailing and detailing at the bottom of the cape as well. So that's it. So the third item that I went ahead and bought was this really pretty dress. As you can see, this is so pretty. It is like transparent from the back, and it has a zip in the front, and it's quite summery, and it's a navy blue color. So this again was priced at such an affordable price. It was about 150, I guess.
Next item that I bought was this really cute pullover. It's like a cardigan or a shrug, like most of you call it. It's in the color, maybe charcoal color, that dark greyish color, and it's really cute. It has this elastic and this
Which you
ribbon
can
over
tie
here.
at the back.
Yeah, exactly. So it's really cute if you wear it with in pair of jeans and just
This
go
looks
for
so
casual.
cozy. This is so Tumblr, and I insisted her to buy this
Yes.
purposely. We literally watched the guides that were available on the YouTube. So
Exactly. Before going for Sarojini Nagar.
yeah, so that person was saying he'll give this to us for about 500
600
something.
something,
And
we
we
actually
literally-
came down to 200.
So that was a good purchase. So from the same shop, I went ahead and bought this really casual and trendy overalls. It's like a denim overall, and it's full length. So we wanted to get this for a video that we are planning for you guys. So I guess it's acid washed, and it is a very light color denim, and the person again was saying 750 around he was going to give it to us. Then
We came down to 400.
so
This is such a good purchase. Oh. So for the next purchase, we again bought something quite similar in just two different colors.
Yeah.
I bought
And-
this white off-shoulder, cold shoulder top, and she bought it in black.
yeah, so it's off shoulder again. I guess off shoulder is so in trend right now. It's so pretty. It has
Yes.
these pom-pom detailings in the bottom.
We bought this for 200 each.
Yeah. It's so cute.
Everything's cute.
Ooh. Yeah, it is.
Yes.
I'm really going to wear this. I guess we'll just twin.
Yes! Everywhere. And for the accessories, we went forward and bought.
I bought these spectacles. These have a metal frame to this, and it's transparent. We again bought this for a video wherein let's just obviously for outfit ideas. So
Because most of you guys wanted us to do
outfit ideas also.
hauls and stuff.
So we have a very exciting video coming up for you guys soon. So this spectacles I bought for that purpose itself, and oh god.
And I actually bought this really cute gold neck piece for the accessories part. And how much did you buy that for?
I bought these spectacles for 150. Yeah, it was such a good purchase.
And I bought this for 75 bucks. And it's really cute. I mean, it's gold.
So that's it for
Yes.
this video. Go on and follow us on our social media so that you can always come up with your suggestions and
Yes.
requests, because we really need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because as soon as we reach 500 subscribers, we are going to host a giveaway. And
So go ahead and comment down below which outfit was your style and which you liked the most.
so if you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and
Share it with your friends.
yeah,
as well.
share it with your friends. We'll see you guys next time. So bye.